Launch the Kyvol app and register an account with a valid mobile phone number or email address on your first use. Then, log into your account with these details. Turn on your Cybovac. Wi-Fi connection, option 1, standard mode. Tap Add Device. Select the model of your Cybovac. Make sure the Wi-Fi status indicator is flashing quickly. If the indicator doesn't flash quickly, press and hold these symbols at the same time on your Cybovac for 3 seconds until it beeps twice. Select the correct Wi-Fi router and enter the correct password. Wi-Fi connection, option 2, AP mode. Tap Add Device. Select the model of your Cybovac. Tap AP mode on the top right corner. Make sure the Wi-Fi indicator is flashing slowly. Press and hold these two buttons at the same time on your Cybovac for 3 seconds until it beeps twice and the Wi-Fi indicator flashes quickly. Let go, and within 10 seconds, press and hold the two same buttons again until your Cybovac beeps twice. Select the correct Wi-Fi router and enter the correct password. Tap Go to Setting, then tap WLAN. Connect to the Cybovac's AP hotspot. Return to the Kyvol app and tap Next.